Dalawang bagay na hindi sila natatakot sa iyo or magkakasama kayo. Ganun lang yan.
Hindi po sila natatakot, Mr. Chair. Hindi po nila...
So, nung may sinabi si Guevara na merong pera, hindi mo inalam kung magkano yung pera?
Sir, pinag-submit
Kasi,
po. Pinag-submit.
well, General Mariano, you have to look into this, ano?
Yes, Mr.
Ikaw ang pinaka-head doon. General ka.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Tapos alaman mo, may problema, may mga uma-arbor na, mga Chinese na. Don't you have the audacity to ask him, magkano ba yan? Bakit ang dami nang tumatawag sa akin? Dalawang grupo na yung tumatawag sa akin, ina-arbor na yung mga Chinese na yan. Magkano ba yung perang yan? Hindi mo ginawa yun?
Ginawa ko po, Mr.
Oh,
Chair.
ano sinabi ni Guevara?
Pinipilit ko po sa kanya. Ang sinabi po sa akin, nagkaroon po kami ng... Nanghingi po ako sa kanya ng report, wala po siyang sinasubmit, Mr. Chair, despite of may repeated...
Tao mo yan.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Tao mo yan. Pwede ka mag-take over because that is your responsibility. You should know everything what had happened doon.
Yes, Mr.
So,
Chair.
hindi pa rin niya sinabi yung 27 million?
Hindi pa rin po, Mr. Chair.
Kinabukasan, sinabi niya?
Kinabukasan po, nag-meeting po kami ng 1:00 ng umaga. Tinatawag ko po siya, hiningi ko po ang tulong po ni Colonel Cabradillo.
So, in other words, kung hindi siya sinasabi sa yung 27 million, ay inis ka na.
Yes, Mr.
Dapat, tinanggal mo na siya right away. That is the best thing to do for you during that time and moment, di ba? Am I right?
Yes, Mr. Chair, pero po...
Bakit hindi mo siya tinanggal? Kailan mo siya tinanggal?
Nung pong
Kailan?
September... Hindi ko lang po...
27.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Napakahaba
Gusto
ng
ko
panahon
sabihin
yan.
sa inyo, masyadong sa PNP yung rank has its own privilege. Na there are times na pag junior mo, whether doon siya assign or hindi, you can direct him to do that, to do this. So, hindi naman sinasabi kong pumapadrino ako, Mr. Chair, pero yun po ang practice sa PNP. Na wala kasing no sir sa PNP. Laging yes sir, yes sir. So pag may instruction, sumusunod sila. Prior to operation noong September 16, 2023, in-inform mo ba si General Mariano?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
In-inform mo siya na ano yung operation?
It was the implementation of search warrant.
Okay, search warrant. Siyempre, pag ang commander, binigyan mo na information, may instruction yan. Tama, mali?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Nagbigay ba siya ng instruction o guidance sa'yo o hindi?
He instructed me to conduct a preparation, which is the planning, which I did, Mr. Chair, in the conference room of the district, Southern Police District, Mr. Chair.
Ganun ba kaikli o may iba pa siyang nabanggit sa'yo?
Yun lang po, Mr. Chair.
Okay. Ang operation sinagawa ninyo from September 16, 12:30 to 5:30 in the morning. Tama ba?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
During the operation, from 12:30 a.m. to 5:30 a.m., tumawag ka ba kay General Mariano?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Mga anong oras yon?
It was past 1, Mr. Chair.
So kung tumawag ka, anong sinabi mo?
I informed him that the operation is already ongoing, Mr. Chair.
Ongoing.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Ano pa?
That's the only thing that I've said, Mr. Chair.
So Mr. Chair, sabi po ni Colonel Guevara, on September 16, from 12:30 midnight to 5:30 a.m., tumawag siya at in-update mo siya ng operation. Tama?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Wala ka ng ibang sinabi pa?
Wala na, Mr. Chair.
Okay. Totoo ba na nag-report ka sa quarters sa SPD noong bandang alas 6 pa o alas 7 ng umaga?
Right after the operation, Mr. Chair, it is between... I was there at 7 a.m., Mr. Chair, but the good district director is not yet there, Mr. Chair, so I have to wait on his arrival.
Tapos na ang operation?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Mr. Chair, nabanggit ko po yan, napakahalaga ng time element. Very clear. 2 beses ko pong itinanong kay Colonel Guevara kung tumawag siya kay General Mariano at sinabi po niya na ongoing yung operation. And nag-report po siya around 6-7.
Yes, I arrived in the district area at this Southern Police District, Mr. Chair.
After operation.
Yes, right after the operation.
So very clear, Mr. Chair. Mr. Chair, very clear po, during operation, walang feedback si Colonel Guevara na dapat sana, boss, maraming pera dito. Ano po ba ang guidance ninyo? Walang ganong nangyari, Mr. Chair. Ibig sabihin po, yung 4.6 million, inalis yung 27 million during the operation, walang feedback si Colonel Guevara na dapat ay alam ng boss niya. Kasi, Mr. Chair, sa operation, normal po yan na in-inform mo yung commander prior to conduct of operation and during the conduct of operation, dapat nagpi-feedback ka. And considering na may milyones na pera dyan, ang ini-expect ko po na dapat siguro kung well-informed si General Mariano, most probably, ang takbo ng usapan, boss, may malaking pera dito. Ano po ba ang guidance ninyo? I-declare ko po ba? Okay ba, boss? 4.6 million lang and yung 27 million, report na lang ako sa iyo, boss. Dalahin ko. Very clear, Mr. Chair. Walang ganon. So, Mr. Chair, hindi ako nagpapadrino dito or interest na isalba ang sinuman. Kaya lang, bilang dating operatiba, may nakikita po ako na nangyari ang bolilyaso sa kamay ni Colonel Guevara. May sinasabi sa PNP na bukulan. Parang kung sakaling lumusot, nabukulan sana si General Mariano. Ibig sabihin, Mr. Chair, tapos na yung operation, hindi pa niya alam na mayroon pa palang 27 million pesos.
Is it normal for operatives like Colonel Guevara to separate amounts located in one unit subject of a search warrant in different reports?
No, Your Honor.
That would not fall under the normal standard operating procedures, correct?
That's correct, Your Honor.
Now,
Your Honor.
what was the responsibility of General Mariano, General Nartates, in as far as reporting the amount verbally given to him, the information verbally given to him by Colonel Guevara to you, as far as the NCR, you being the higher ranking officer to General Mariano?
Can we clarify it again, Your Honor?
Was he under any obligation to inform you that there was an amount exceeding the 4.6 million indicated in the sketch report?
It should be all of the circumstances of the indicated in the report should be reported, Your Honor.
Now, what is the liability of General Mariano, if any, General Nartates, for deliberately keeping that information away from you?
He will be responsible, of course, Your Honor, for whatever offenses they have committed. For example, they have omitted the report and deliberately omit it, then there will be lying or perjury and tantamount to grave misconduct, Your Honor.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. Now, General Mariano, sir, this will be an opportunity for you to clear things up. Because in the last hearing, my questions were pretty simple and straightforward. And you also gave me straightforward answers. Now, I was very personally offended when you suddenly made another statement that you did not know about that amount when you talked to General Nartates. Now, General Mariano, klaruin mo na. Were you informed by Colonel Guevara prior to your conversation with General Nartates?
He informed only, Mr. Chair, of the recovered money. Wala pong pera po na kung magkano po yung pera.
Walang figures.
Wala po, Mr. Chair. Kaya po yun, nung numawag po si RD po sa akin, sinabi ko sa kanya na meron pa raw po silang nakuhang pera, sir, na dito. Kaya ang sinabi po ni RD sa akin, galit po siya dahil ba't
I'll
may
cut
mga
you off,
pera.
ha? Sandali lang.
Yeah.
Laruhin ko to, ha? When, is it in the context that there was this 4.6 million recovered, but there was another sum not yet reported?
Yes, Mr. Chair, wala pong sa inventaryo.
Wala sa inventaryo. But you knew for a fact na may sobra pang pera other than the 4.6 million indicated in the report.
Wala po sa report, Mr. 4.6
No.
po.
Do you personally know na may pera pang nakuha other than the 4.6 million indicated in the report?
Yun po yung pagkakasabi po sa akin ni Lieutenant Colonel Guevara, pero hindi ko po nakita yung...
Okay, yeah. So yun ang nasabi sa iyo ni Colonel Guevara. At what point in time or what time exactly mo nalaman yun?
In between, after ng mga request niya po na investigator, Mr. Chair, bago po dumating, mga 10:36 po, bago po tumawag si RD, Mr.
Okay,
Bago
now as the SPD head, did you not find it your duty and responsibility to ask Colonel Guevara how much more money was there?
Hindi po naman po niya, tinanong ko po, Mr. Chair, pero hindi po niya sinasabi lahat kung magkano ang pera.
Did you not ask him why? Would he not tell you the exact amount?
Yun po yung hindi ko rin alam sa kanya, Mr. Chair. Sinabi ko po.
Pa si Colonel Guevara, bakit hindi mo sabihin sa akin ang exact amount?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
And what was his answer?
Wala po, sir. Hindi po siya nagsasabit ng mga report, Mr. Chair.
So okay lang sa'yo yan? Colonel lang, tapos hindi ka sasagutin clearly kung sa questions mo? Does that happen?
Despite my repeated demands, Mr. Chair, ayaw pa rin talaga niya, Mr.
And
Chair.
what did you do as his superior officer? When a lower ranked officer refuses to answer you, what did you do? You just let it go?
No, Mr. Chair.
What did you do to him?
Kaya pinagmingi po ako ng tulong dun sa, baka lang po talagang walang gumagawa ng report because that is Saturday, Sunday, Mr. Chair. Kasi wala po yung mga tao niya, Mr. Chair. Lang po siya.
To believe that Colonel Busita has been explaining that lower ranked officers only say yes, sir. Diba? Now here you are, categorically asking Colonel Guevara kung magkano pa yung extra amount na nakuha nila, and you're now saying that he is refusing to answer you and that you did nothing. Because despite his refusal to answer your direct questions.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Wasn't he like supposedly committing a crime in your presence, not informing you of the amount?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Did you not have him arrested for that?
Hindi ko po naisip yung Mr.
Did you
Chair.
not order his immediate detention and or like confinement in your quarters?
No, Mr. Chair.
Why, General Mariano?
Because ongoing po yung kanilang pag-iimbestiga, Mr. Chair. No?
Because with all this, Mr. General Mariano, you're parang it's impossible to believe kasi na wala kang gawin given the circumstances. And if wala kang ginawa, na supposedly being the highest ranking officer in that particular room, you could have forced him, compelled him, or ordered his detention ba or confinement to your quarters until he tells you the exact amount. Shouldn't that have been the proper course of action to take, General Mariano?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
And why did you not do it?
Naging masyado akong magmadal. Kaya nga po, sir, humingi pa ako ng tulong kay Colonel Cabradilla.
You ask her help from a lower ranking officer? Ikaw, general ka? Hindi ba nakakahiya?
Just to facilitate lang po, Mr. Chair, yung kanyang mga report na mag-submit kagad, Mr. Chair.
Why would Colonel Guevara be more truthful to Colonel Cabradillo and not to you? Why would you think that?
Hindi ko po alam, Mr. Chair.
Evan, may request General Mariano to pakitanggal lang po ng last. Thank you.
Colonel Guevara,
Yes, Mr. Chair.
will you confirm all the statements made by General Mariano that was the truth on what transpired in that meeting with you?
No, Mr. Chair.
Okay. Colonel Guevara, I'll give you a chance. Tell us what happened in that meeting and what was the conversation about.
Right after the arrival of, right after the operation of Mr. Chair, I was directly draft off in the quarters of District Director, Mr. Chair, and I waited there on his arrival. while waiting, Mr. Chair, I take a nap on the specific quarters of this AD camp.
So, nung 2:30 kasi meron kang binanggit dito sa video. Sinasabi mo, meron tumatawag sa'yo. Sa 2:30, parang something like that. Dalawang taong personalidad ang tumawag sa'yo about that money. So, nalaman mo na na merong 27 million during that time.
Actually, Mr. Chair, yung mga tumawag po sa akin nung past 1 PM po, hindi po yun tungkol sa pera eh. Ina-arbor po nila yung subject ng search warrant.
Sinong ma-arbor?
Yung tumawag po, Mr. Chair.
Sino yung tumawag?
Police po yun, Mr. Chair, na tinatanong lang po sa akin kung...
Sino yung police na yun?
Police Corporal Paras, Mr. Chair.
Ha? Sino yung police corporal Paras?
Paras po, Paras.
Paras. Taga saan siya? Anong unit siya? Bakit niya? Anong kapasidad niya para arborin sa'yo yun? General ka, tapos ano sinabi mo sa kanya?
Tinatanong po kung sinabi ko po na tinext ko naman po si Chief DSOyo kung ano po yung pangalan na binigay. Sinabi po nila na yun po ay subject ng search warrant. Kaya po tinext ko sa kanya na yun po ay subject ng search warrant at iniimbestigahan po yung ating mga...
So we'll be inviting over that person as well. Congressman Barbers.
Caparas, no? In relation lang doon kay Caparas. Kilala mo ba, General Mariano, yung Caparas, yung Corporal Caparas?
Paras, pare.
Caparas?
Paras po, Mr. Chair.
Yeah, do you know him personally?
Kakilala po, Mr. Chair, pero hindi po yung ganung kaano.
Hindi, bakit tumawag siya sa'yo, Kamo?
According to him, Mr. Chair, pinapasuyuan lang po siya ng dati niyang boss na...
Yun nga eh, you have to be transparent. Sino yung dati niyang boss na nag-utos sa kanyang kumontak sa'yo, General?
Nakisuyo daw po may nakisuyo po sa dati niyang boss na si Colonel Rosales, na dati pong Chief of Police ng Parañaque, Mr. Chair.
Thank you, Mr.
Okay, ituloy natin, General Mariano, no? And we will be trying to investigate in the veracity of what you're saying right now, no? And we can dig deeper on that because sinasabi mo, corporal lang yun, nakakatawag sa'yo. So somebody is behind that man, of course, no? So, nung 9 PM naman sinabi mo may tumawag uli sa'yo. So, ano itong, hindi ka na ba ano yung tawag sa'yo nung 9 PM? Kasi nung nireview ko, ganun din, may sinabi ka may tumawag eh. Sino yung tumawag sa'yo?
Si Mr. Anthony Chuang.
Anthony Chua. So, kilala mo siya.
Kakilala ko po, Mr. Chair.
So, tumawag siya sa'yo. Ano sabi niya?
Yun nga po, tinatanong po yung dun din po sa subject ng search warrant yung subject. Sabi ko po na kumuha na lang po ng lawyer, Mr. Chair, kasi po, yun po ay yung subject ng search warrant.
Okay. So usapan nyo.
Wala naman pong offer, Mr. Chair. Wala naman po.
Hindi ako sinasabi offer. Wala akong sinasabi ng offer. Ang sinasabi ko lamang kung sino yung tumawag sa'yo. Kung sino tumawag sa'yo yung Chinese na yun at sinasabi sa'yo that ina-arbor din nila, no?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Were you able to talk about the 27 million?
Wala po, Mr. Chair.
Walang 27 million. So kailan mo nalaman ng 27 million?
Noon lang pong nag-imbestiga po
Sino nagsabi sa'yo na may 27 million?
Ang sinabi po sa akin ni Chief
Guevara?
Ni Guevara po ay pera po yung nakuha po silang pera. At sinabi po ni Guevara na
during that time, 11 AM, nagkausap na kayo ni General Nartate, sinabi mo na merong amount na nakuha.
Yes.
2:30 may tumawag din sa iyo, sinasabi ina-arbor na. Alas 9 meron na rin na tumatawag sa iyo. Hindi ka na ba nagduda doon na may malaking problema to?
Mr. Chair, nagdududa na po ako. Ang problema lang...
So kung nagdududa ka, di ba ang unang dapat mong ginawa? Oy, Colonel Guevara, magkano to? Hindi mo ba tinanong si Major Quijana? Oy, Major Quijana, halika dito, mag-usap tayo. Magkano ba itong nakakuha dito? Walang ganon?
Wala po sila Major Quijana, Mr. Chair.
Alam mo, General Mariano, hindi naman kami mga bobo dito. You are the boss of the SPD.
Yes,
You are the head of the SPD.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
You have the responsibility to find out every detail of the operation. Especially when you were able to talk to Regional Director General Nartates. Di ba?
Yes.
General Nartates, ano na pag-usapan nyo ng 3 minutes and 50 seconds?
Yes, sir. I was the one who called the district director, Your Honor, when...
Ikaw ang tumawag, hindi siya ang tumawag siya? Kasi doon sa video siya ang tumawag sa'yo.
No sir, si Mr.
Si General Natates. O sige,
Opo.
General Natates, please.
Yes, sir. On that Saturday morning, kasi araw-araw ako or oras-oras or minu-minuto, nagbabasa ako ng mga spot report sent through Viber. Meron kaming Viber platform and then nakalagay yan sa group para mabilis. It is being reported hanggang Kamkrame. Kasi nakakahiya naman, tatawag sa akin ng Chief PNP or the command group at the national headquarters or any stakeholders na kailangan kung ano yung situation dito, dapat alam ko. So, I make it a point as the commander of the National Capital Region na babasahin ko isa-isa. And in that instance, Saturday morning, nakabasa ako ng SMS report, spot report through Viber indicating na meron na-recover na 2 barrel and human trafficking case, implementation of search warrant, and the seizure of 4.6 million. Nagtaka na ako bakit may 4.6 million. That's why ako na yung tumawag para makuha ko kung ano yung detalye, and then he briefed me, the Southern Police District Director, na it is an implementation of search warrant, ganito. And tinanong ko, bakit may 4.6 million? Because recovered, and at the same time, meron daw on the act silang nakuha in violation of human trafficking. And so, okay, very good. Make sure na maayos yung kaso nyo. And so, that was a Saturday morning. And I was surprised when after 2 days, it's September 18, meron ng progress na may 27 million.
Yun na nga. So, General Natates, nalala mo yung 27 million. September 18 lang. Doon malalaman yung...
Yes,
okay.
Your Honor.
Alright. So, General Mariano, so, kailan mo exactly nalaman yung 27 million?
Yung pera po sir nung Sunday na lumabas po na nagkaroon po kami ng meeting. Kasama po nung 1:00 ng hapon, kasama po si Jolet, kasama rin po si Colonel Cabradilla at si Lieutenant Colonel Yogo. Tinatanong ko po doon, but wala pa rin silang, despite ng repeated demands ko na ibigay yung report kung magkano talaga yung nakuha nilang pera.
Okay, sandali, General Mariano. So, lumalabas Sunday na to.
Yes sir,
Okay.
ng 1:00 Mr.
Expenses were submitted and the inventoried money were submitted to the DSOU. Nandun sa opisina nyo eh. Nandun na opisina nyo. Dinala yung mga ebidensya, yun ang sinasabi nila eh. Don't you have this instinct that dapat tingnan natin yung ebidensya. Nasaan yan? Ginawa mo ba yun?
Sir, wala sa DSOU yung pera, Mr. Chair. Hindi ko alam kung saan nila kinuha. At nung gabi na sinasabi nila, Mr. Chair,
okay.
Yeah.
So ngayon kino-confirm mo that yung pera wala doon sa opisina.
yun po yung...
No. Yun yung sinabi mo kanina, di ba?
Opo,
Gino-confirm mo.
Opo.
So now, mapapatunayan na natin dito that these people are all lying because yung sinasabi natin pera ay wala doon sa DSOU, wala doon sa opisina ninyo. Is that right?
Tama po, Mr. Chair. Talaga pong wala po sa kanila yung pera.
Okay.
Kaya po ako naghahanap ng report. Pilit ko silang sinabi ko rin po kay...
Okay, having said that, nakita mo yung 4.6?
Hindi rin po, Mr. Chair. Sa report lang po na sinubmit ni Ibarra po. Nandun po. Yun lang po rin po nakita ng mga other officers na nandun po sa DSOU. Yun lang pong 4.6.
So in other words, dumating ang Sunday, dumating na yung media. Hindi ka ba nagtaka nang dumating yung media?
Hindi.
Suddenly, ando na yung pera. Kasi hindi mo hinanap the whole day na, or the whole of Saturday, the whole of Sunday morning, and in the afternoon. Di ba? Sino nagpatawag ng media? Kailan mo pinatawag ang media?
Hindi po ako nagpatawag ng media.
Sino nagpatawag ng media?
Sila po ang nakakalam po, Mr. Chair. Kasi po gabi po raw nila ginawa, Mr. Chair. Hindi ko po alam yun.
So hindi mo rin alam na may darating na media doon?
Wala po. Hindi ko po alam kung
So
anong
hindi mo
items.
rin alam na mag-i-inventory na sila?
Hindi rin po, Mr. Chair.
Hindi mo inisip na napakalaki na itong problemang to that you have to take action personally na talagang inasa mo na lang sa kanila lahat?
Hindi po, Mr. Chair. Kasi nga po, hiningi ko rin po ang tulong ni Colonel Cabradilla para sa mailabas na kagad ko magkano po talaga yung pera na nakuha nila dahil talagang nagsisinungaling po, magulo na po yung mga ano nila, hindi sila nagsasubmit talaga. Kaya po...
So ibig sabihin, General Mariano, hindi natatakot sa iyo ang mga tao mo?
Mr. Chair.
Ano ba yan?
Malamang po, Mr. Chair.
Dalawang bagay na hindi sila natatakot sa iyo or magkakasama kayo. Ganun lang yan.
Hindi po sila natatakot, Mr. Chair. Akala po ata ng aking Chief DSOU. Kung ano lang po, Mr. Chair, ang isusubo niya sa akin ay kakainin ko lahat. Kaya nung pinalalabas ko yung pera na yan, hinanap ko ang report kaagad dahil alam kong in violation, Mr. Chair. Kaya po, sana naman...
Is it right also? Is it right as well na yung progress report ay pinagawa mo kay Cabradilla?
Hindi ko po pinagawa, Mr. Chair.
Sino nag-utos kay Cabradilla na gawin yung second and second?
Wala pong nag-uutos. Humingi lang po ako ng tulong sa kanya.
Bakit Cabradilla ikaw? Colonel Cabradilla, bakit ikaw gumawa ng progress report?
Good morning, Mr. Chair. I helped in making the progress report on the direction and instruction of my district director, Your Honor.
Oh, siya sabi niya wala siyang inuutos.
Yes, sir. If I may explain the detail.
Okay, sige, go ahead.
One early morning, I think that was Monday, yung kasing kaso na operation na DSO yun, nasampanan nila yung kaso. And pag kinabukasan, hinahanap na ni district director yung report.
Okay.
Yung progress report. And dahil magkakasama kami sa quarters, doon din ako nakatira sa quarters niya. Ako yung unang nakita niya na officer, senior officer doon. So ako ang nautusan. Pero paki-facilitate mo
okay.
nga na magawa na kaagad yung report para masubmit dahil hanggang ngayon, that was I think almost 9 o'clock in the morning, wala pang sinasubmit na report. In fact, nasampa na yung kaso.
Controller ka, di ba?
Yes, sir.
Trabaho yun, pero alam mo, kapag hindi mo trabaho, hindi mo dapat gampanan, di ba?
Bakit ikaw ang nautusan ng iyong direktor? Samantalang hindi mo linya.
It is up to the district director. Ako po yung inutusan niya, Your Honor. I don't have any control on that, Mr. Chair.
Hindi mo sinabi na wala akong alam dyan?
Mr. Chair, I am a victim of this. Ako na ang tumulong, ako pang nasali dito sa kaso, Mr. Chair. So I am trying to answer the question.
Wait muna.
Ikaw, pakialamero. Diba? Bakit ka nakikialam sa isang operation na wala kang kaalam-alam? Kasi, according to Police Colonel Guevara, you were the one who asked him to go to a case conference at naging nervyoso si Colonel Guevara. That was taken from the informal investigation na kinonduct ni General Nartates. Nandito Colonel Cabradilla asked him to go to a case conference instead for which he became nervous. He was told, gumawa ka ng report. Ilabas mo na yan. Even if he stated that he did not want to take out the money because to do so would mean that he will be held liable as team leader. The report was to make it appear that they inventoried the money together with the media. Samantalang hindi naman na-inventory ito Inalabas to, 4 na karton. Nakitang-kita doon sa video. Isinakay doon sa sasakyan ni Major Quijana. Kasama si Colonel Guevara, yung si Michael, si Dester, at saka si Demokrito. Gusto nyo, kumplituhin ko na yung istorya?
Okay, huwag muna. Congressman ako. Please. Colonel Cabradilla. Ayun. Medyo that make us wonder, no? Na hindi mo trabaho, ginagampanan mo yung trabaho. Most especially, no? Most especially, yung ganitong kalaking pera, no?
Sunday, nung nagpatawag si District Director, kasama ko si...
Okay, Sunday
Kasama
Sunday morning, alam mo na. In 27 million, correct?
I think it's about lunch or after.
Okay.
Your,
Imagine, Colonel Cabradilla, lunchtime alas 12. Alam mo na yung 27 million mo. Yung 27 million. Pero yung boss mo, si General Mariano, hindi pa niya alam yung 27 million. Mas nauna ka pa nalaman yung 27 million dahil doon sa spot report, sinasabi ni General Mariano na hindi niya alam na meron nga meron nga media sa gabi eh. Napakaswerte mo naman. You are so lucky that alam mo na yung 27 million ng September 17 ng lunchtime, pero yung boss mo, hindi niya alam na may 27 million. Hindi mo sinabi kay General Mariano na may 27 million?
Mr. Chair, sa kanila ko po nalaman yung 27.
Kanino mo nalaman yung 27 million?
Nung nag-submit na ng report si DSOyo, nung pinareport ni District Director,
kailan?
Mr. Chair.
16, 17?
That was lunchtime of after lunch ng
2016?
Ng Sunday.
Di alam na ni General Mariano. General Mariano, ba't hindi mo alam? Sunday pa lang pala, alam na. Yung 27 million, pero sinasabi mo, hindi mo alam. Pati yung pagdating ng media doon, na dinala yung pera doon. So, hindi nyo alam.
Mr. Chair,
Yes, sir.
nung alauna po ng hapon, nag-usap po kami noon sa opisina ko. Dahil nga po hindi siya nagsasubmit ng mga report. Andun po si Lieutenant Colonel Guevara, si Colonel Cabradilla, tsaka po si Lieutenant Colonel Liogo.
Colonel Cabradilla, hindi mo sinabi kay General Mariano na may 27 million ng September 17?
I think during the meeting na nabanggit yung pera na yun, sir.
Okay, so nabanggit na sa meeting. So ano si General Mariano?
Yes, sir. I'm not sure kung doon mismo sinabi
Oh my
27
goodness.
million, but about the money.
Colonel Cabradilla, you are under oath. Ayaw na namin magpakulong dito. Lunch pa lang, alam mo na, sinabi mo kanina. Sa spot report, sinabi mo may 27 million. Ngayon sinasabi mo, hindi ka masigurado dahil nag-conference kayo. Okay, granting na nag-conference kayo ng alauna. O sabihin na natin alas 2, sabihin na natin alas 3, sabihin na natin alas 4. Okay, nag-conference kayo. So nalaman nyo yung 27 million doon. Nalaman ba ni General Mariano na may 27 million?
Yes, alam niya kasi yun yung perang
So General Mariano, bakit sinasabi mo kanina na hindi mo alam? At nalaman mo lamang yan nung nagkaroon na ng progress report noong gabi na kung saan sakalang tinawag sakalang na-receive ni General Artates noong 18 ng September yung third progress report na sinasabi yung 27 million. There must be somebody lying.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Oh, so,
Mr. Chair, pwede pong
sige.
paliwanag ko po. Nung alauna po ng hapon, hindi naman po nagsalita doon si Lieutenant Colonel Guevara, kundi si Colonel Cabradilla lang. Sinasabi niya po doon na namumblema po si Lieutenant Colonel Guevara kung magkanong pera ang kanyang idedeklara kasi namumblema siya doon sa mga alpha na bibigyan niya ng pera. Sinabihan ko sila na wala akong ano doon sa pera. Bahat ang importante sa akin, ilitaw nyo na yung pera kung magkano at sabit nyo na yung report ngayong araw na to. Kasi obligado na ako kay Adi mag-report dahil sinabi ko na kay Adi na may pera kayong nakuha.
Alam mo, General Mariano, it doesn't make sense eh. Unang-una sinasabi ni Colonel Cabradilla, nalaman na niya yung 27 million. Ngayon, nagdadahilan na siya, naiipit na siya. So sinabi niya, hindi niya malaman kung sinabi yon doon sa conference na nangyari. Pero kanina tinatanong ko kung alam na, kailan niya nalaman. Ano sabi niya? September 17, lunchtime. Sinabi niya yun eh. Colonel Cabradilla, sinabi mo yung 27 million ng lunchtime, right? Tapos ngayon sinabi mo, hindi mo na sigurado kasi mukhang doon sa conference sinabi yung 27 million, di ba? So ngayon, dinedepensa ni General Mariano na hindi sinasabi ni Colonel Guevara yung totoong 27 million. But in accordance to what you have said a while ago, nalaman mo na yung 27 million. Kaya nga nakapokus yung tako eh. So sinabi mo, mayroon ng 27 million. Dapat nasabi, alam na ni General Mariano, but General Mariano is trying to insist right now na hindi pa sinasabi ni Colonel Guevara yung 27 million. And prudence dictates, you are all in trouble already. At imposible hindi nyo tanungin yung pera. Eh si General Artates nga 4.6 lang, nag-worry na eh. Di more than that, mas lalo kayo mag-worry. Dahil yung inyong superior, nag-worry 4.6 million pa lamang. Hindi nga niya alam, akala nga niya 4.6 lang million eh. Pero because they have found several evidences that is beyond 4.6 million, he tried to investigate. Di ba? Pero kayo parang okay lang kayo, parang hindi nyo pa inaalam yung, hindi, sige, dyan lang. Hindi nyo pa inaalam. And that's worries us. Kasi, I don't know. I really don't know. Medyo, ako, bumigat na naman yung damdamin ko. Congressman
Mr.
Flores.
Chair, Mr.
Thank you.
Chairman.
This is just in relation to that topic, Mr. Chair. Because at the last hearing, I categorically asked Colonel Guevara and General Mariano as far as that information is concerned. And it is on record in our last meeting, Mr. Chair, that Colonel Guevara said that after their operations, he went to see General Mariano. And during that meeting, Mr. Chair, he said that he was directed by General Mariano not to include the 27 million. I also asked General Mariano, did you order Colonel Guevara not to include it? He said, I did not do it. And then I said, who asked or who mentioned not to include the 27 million? At that time, Your Honor, that was 10 o'clock, Mr. Chair. Colonel Guevara, is that correct?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
So at that time, General Mariano knew already of the 27 million.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
General Mariano, in my questioning in the last hearing, did I not ask you categorically whether or not you ordered Colonel Guevara not to include the 27 million in the initial report? And you said you did not. But you already knew about the amount.
Mr. Chair, hindi ko po alam kung magkano. Sinabi lang po niya, Mr. Chair, na may pera silang nakuha na hindi nila in-inventaryo sa nung araw na yun, Mr. Chair. Wala pa pong pera.
Exact figure.
Yes, walang exact figure kasi kung nagsasabi po siya ng totoo kung ano po.
Okay,
Mr. Chair.
Assuming for granted, no, that's correct. Why did you not include that in your report to General Nartates, that there was an amount exceeding the 4.6 million when he called you?
Sinabi ko po sa kanya, Mr. Chair.
General Nartates, did he mention that to you? Sir?
No, Your Honor.
And that's
Thank
the
you, Mr.
problem, Congressman Flores, Chairman. Medyo na-confused din ako doon kasi nga, you were talking with General Nartates General Nartates called you about the 4.6 and then may mga tawag na. And then yung mga tawag na yon, basically dapat nag-iisip na tayo, bakit ba may magantong pressure? So sana inalam mo na kung ano talaga yung issue about that. And accordingly, allegedly sinasabi mo that hindi mo nalaman yung 27 million. And that is something that it's hard to comprehend with all the members of this committee. And basically without informing yung boss na si General Nartates about it, something that is questionable, General Mariano. Lahat na ng mga tao mo, si Colonel Cabradilla, si Colonel Quijano, si Major Quijana, lahat sila alam na nila. Ikaw na lang hindi nakakaalam ng 27 million eh. And that is something that is questionable being the head of the SPD. Diba?